On this episode of Crafting with Kass, I'm gonna try to make the Scoop Ahoy outfit from Stranger Things. I went to a thrift store just now. I got a few pieces that might actually work. So first up, I got this pants. It's not exactly the color, but it's blue. It is the right length, so maybe it can. And it was only $2. Then I got this striped shirt. The stripe is not exactly the stripe either, but you know, give and take, it was also only $2. And then I found this vest, so it can act as the outside of the outfit. And lastly, I got this. Oh, this was $2. Lastly, I got this white color shirt. It's a very big shirt, but my plan is to cut it out to make the, you know, the sailor thing. Yeah. And this was also $2. And then I bought this red ribbon to line the white color thing. So this is $150. So total price spent here is $9.50, and we'll see what we can make. I'm not exactly sure if it will turn out right, but let's just try. Right now I've just cut it. I cut out the collar and the sleeves, and I cut it like this way. So now if I put it on myself, so if I sew this in, and then sew it together here, and sew all of this in, supposed to, yeah, I need to align lah, basically. It's a new day, and I kinda did. Actually, this is the third day, yeah, because I was busy yesterday, so I only did a little bit. But I found this handheld sewing machine that saved my life, because like there is quite a lot to sew. And the difference is this. I don't know if you can see. This is hand sewn, and it's hideous. But this is like, yeah, by the machine. But oops, look at this loop. But yeah, so I kind of got the front part down. I don't know if you can see it properly. But yeah, there's like 2 collars coming along. I'm just gonna sew up this seam here and this seam at the back. And I'm probably just gonna leave this, like, yeah, cause I cut it right at the seam, so I'm probably not gonna seam it out because it'll take too much time. So yeah, almost done with the collar. So it is quite a few days later, and I even got my hair cut. But yeah, I just got really busy, and anyway, I just want to finish up the last part of my outfit, which is for tomorrow. And I'm just gonna put some buttons on the front and maybe onto the shirt so that it won't like move around, and then I'm done. So I added the button, and here as well. They will just fit nicely. Let's put this on. And pants, it didn't dry nicely, but I can't be bothered, so whatever.